Ever driven past a parallel park because it's just too hard? Well, you're not alone. Here with Toyota's Self Park Assist feature, we're here to help. Let me show you how it works. Right, so you found your park, let's show you how it works. So you press the button, the car's gonna ask you how you want to park. Right now it's asking for a parallel park. I'm gonna click this one and just confirm parallel. Click it again, okay. And then it's going to ask me to adjust the park where I want to be. So I'm just going to adjust it in the middle of the car park and click OK. And then just click start. And then the screen's going to tell me what to do. So I'm taking my foot off the brake and letting the car do its thing. That's letting those bikers go past. And then it's going to automatically shift into reverse without me doing anything. And start its parallel park. My feet are on the brake or the steering wheel. The car is just parking itself. And with all of the sensors and cameras within the car, it knows when to stop and when to change back into drive. And then it's asking you to confirm. You just click park again and everything is perfect. And there you have it, the car's parked itself. And that's it, a simple way to take the stress out of parking. And if you've got any questions, come see us at Sunshine Toyota on the lake at Currimundi. Woo!